Hey there, this is Stacy. I hope everyone's having a great day. I am here today to tell you about these medical grade silicone eye patches that I have under my eyes right now. These are from a company called CO Beauty, and what these are medical grade silicone eye patches. So what these are doing for my under eye area is they are providing intense hydration. They help to retain moisture in the skin, and they help to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, giving you a nice lifted, smooth look. These are designed to be worn either at night while you're sleeping, or you can wear them during the day. Today I've chosen to wear them during the day, so I'll just keep these on for several hours while I'm hanging out here in the house anyway. You apply these to clean, dry skin. You have to make sure that you don't put any moisturizers or any serums or anything on your face first, because that would interfere with the way these adhere nice and clean and smoothly to your skin. So there's no goopy anything with them. They're just this nice medical grade silicone. They're reusable for 10 to 15 times each, as long as you take care of them. And taking care of them is really simple. All you do is rinse them with water, and then you stick them back on this plastic sheet that they came with in the first place. So that's what I'll do, is I'll just take them off, rinse them with water, and put them right here back onto this plastic board. What I love about these is that they're so easy to use. You can wear them to sleep, you can wear them to during the day, whatever suits you and your schedule. If you've got a Zoom call coming up or something, go ahead and put them on for a couple hours and then hop on your call, and no one will know that you got no sleep last night. So they have several different kinds. This is the eye patches, and these are actually called the Super Eye Lift. And so they're actually larger than some of their other eye patches that they've had in the past. So they go all the way from the inner corner of the eye up to the brow bone. I do have some other ones that I've used, and this one is like a total facelift, and this one actually has patches in here for the forehead, under the eyes, around your smile lines, and for your neck lines. So you can see they have lots of different ones in the line. They actually have one too that goes on the chest if you get lines on your chest. You know, if you're getting some wrinkles in that area. I know they also have some for the hands. Just the different areas that we might want to see some smoothing and hydration for our wrinkles. I love taking these off, and I get to see the big reveal of how my wrinkles are smoothed out, and I kind of have a bit of a more lifted area around my eyes. And they're easy to remove. You just hold your skin taut and just grab the patch and just gently remove it. Then I just rinse it with water and put it back on the plastic to store it. You can see from my demonstration how easy these are to use. So you can go to the CO Beauty website and see which ones might be best for your own skincare routine. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.